Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix promotion cannot be redeemed in Shopee problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. I'm going to run through some of the most common problems. So we need to go ahead and clear app data. So we need to click and hold down the Shopee app and then click onto I for app info. Then from here we want to scroll down, click on the storage, and then we need to go ahead and clear cache. And then from here, go ahead and log in to Shopee and see if that fixes the problem. If it doesn't, we might need to go ahead and uninstall the Shopee app and reinstall it from your Player App Store. And also there are some promotional requirements. So some promotions are exclusive to new users or specific user groups. So ensure you meet the eligibility criteria. Also, certain promotions apply only to specific product categories as well. So verify that the items in your cart are eligible and they've got a minimum spend. So many promotions require a minimum purchase amount. So you want to confirm that your order meets this threshold. And also with that voucher, you want to check the voucher availability. So some vouchers have limited quantities and may be fully redeemed quickly. So you got to get in fast. In saying that, if a voucher isn't available, try again later or look for alternative promotions. And if all else fails, you can also contact the Shopee support. So if you tried all the steps I've outlined, reach out to Shopee's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on your situation.